Sleep, a seemingly passive state, is a dynamic process essential for our physical and mental well-being. As we drift off, our brains orchestrate a symphony of activity, cycling through distinct stages of sleep, each with its unique characteristics and purpose. Understanding this intricate dance of brain waves and physiological changes is key to unlocking the secrets of sound sleep and reaping its profound benefits. This video will delve into the fascinating world of sleep, exploring the 4 stages of sleep, from the light slumber of stage 1 to the deep, restorative sleep of stage 3, and finally, the enigmatic realm of rapid eye movement, or REM sleep. By understanding the nuances of each stage and their respective roles, we can gain valuable insights into improving our sleep quality and enhancing our overall health. The sleep cycle is typically divided into 4 stages, 1 for REM sleep and 3 for non-REM sleep. Stage 1, also known as light sleep, marks the transition from wakefulness to sleep. During this stage, our muscles relax and our brainwaves begin to slow down. As we descend into stage 2, our heart rate and body temperature drop further, and our brainwaves continue to slow, interspersed with bursts of electrical activity known as sleep spindles. Stage 3, often referred to as deep sleep or slow wave sleep, is characterized by extremely slow brainwaves called delta waves. Deep sleep is crucial for physical restoration, muscle repair, and growth hormone release. It is during this stage that our bodies are hard at work repairing tissues, building bone and muscle, and strengthening the immune system. The final stage, REM sleep, is perhaps the most intriguing, marked by rapid eye movements, increased brain activity, and vivid dreaming. During REM sleep, our brains are as active as they are when we are awake, consolidating memories, processing emotions, and strengthening neural connections. This intricate interplay of brain activity and physiological changes highlights the complex and dynamic nature of sleep, emphasizing its vital role in maintaining our overall health and well-being. REM sleep, often dubbed the dreaming stage, is a period of heightened brain activity and vivid dreams. While the exact purpose of dreams remains a topic of ongoing scientific inquiry, they are thought to play a crucial role in memory consolidation, emotional processing, and creativity. During REM sleep, our brains work tirelessly to process the day's experiences, transferring information from short-term to long-term memory. This process of memory consolidation is essential for learning and cognitive function. Moreover, REM sleep is believed to facilitate emotional regulation, helping us process and make sense of our emotions. The vivid, often surreal nature of dreams may provide a safe space for our brains to confront and work through challenging emotions, promoting emotional resilience and mental well-being. The disruption of REM sleep, often caused by sleep disorders or certain medications, can have significant consequences for our cognitive and emotional health, highlighting the importance of prioritizing this crucial stage of sleep. Section 4. Deep Sleep, the body's rejuvenation station. Deep sleep, also known as slow wave sleep, is the most restorative stage of sleep, essential for physical repair and rejuvenation. During this stage, our bodies release growth hormone, which promotes muscle growth and repair, boosts metabolism, and strengthens bones. Deep sleep is also crucial for immune function, as it is during this time that our bodies produce cytokines, proteins that help fight off infections and inflammation. The restorative power of deep sleep cannot be overstated. It is essential for maintaining a healthy weight, regulating blood sugar levels, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Furthermore, deep sleep plays a vital role in energy restoration, ensuring we wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Chronic sleep deprivation, particularly the lack of deep sleep, can compromise our physical health, weaken our immune system, and increase our susceptibility to a wide range of health problems. Prioritizing deep sleep is paramount for maintaining our physical well-being and promoting longevity. Section 5. Unlocking the secrets to sound sleep. Understanding the sleep cycle and the importance of each stage is crucial for improving our sleep quality and reaping the numerous benefits of sound sleep. By adopting healthy sleep habits, such as maintaining a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and optimizing our sleep environment, we can promote better sleep and enhance our overall health and well-being. Simple lifestyle changes, such as regular exercise, a balanced diet, and limiting caffeine and alcohol intake, can also significantly impact our sleep quality. Moreover, addressing underlying sleep disorders, such as insomnia or sleep apnea, is essential for restoring healthy sleep patterns and improving our overall health. By prioritizing sleep and making conscious efforts to improve our sleep habits, we can unlock the secrets to sound sleep and experience the transformative benefits it offers for our physical, mental, and emotional well-being.